So I'm here on the Pitt River today. This is in Maple Ridge. Over there is Coquitlam, and over this side is Maple Ridge. So I've just come here. I've not been here before with the drone, and I've not done much talking to the camera much in recent times. But it's a lovely evening, early October. We've still got a bit of smoke in the air from forest fires and whatnot. But I'm facing into the sun, and this is where we are. And this is a dike. I sit on top of a dike, and the dike were put up here in the 50s because they had a major flood in the 40s, and it flooded all this land. They grow a lot of blueberries around here, and they grow a lot of bears, lots of bears, and bears like blueberries. So we're going to go to another location a bit further upstream, closer to Pitt Lake, and see how that is.